Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. The theme is coastal. And this is one of the bowl. I created a beach inside this bowl. So this is one of the fish bowl, the small one. And the shells are from Dollar Tree again. And I had this from a long time. And I laid some of the shells on top of a sand and arranged all the shells around it. And I had this pearls, light pink, white, and a little bit of yellow tone. So I just scattered the pearls on top of the shells. And one of my bracelet broke, which had those crystals. So I thought I would also decorate that in this bowl. So yeah, this is one of the cute project. I'm in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Funday, and this is hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco and Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. I'll leave the links of their channel as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. This is a beautiful coastal garland and those cute herbs, white and brown. I just created a garland, but in between I just added those huge pearls, and everything is from Dollar Tree. And that big wooden star in one corner of the garland, another corner I just created a tassel out of jute twine. And yeah, and we have this beautiful garland. I'm very much in love with this as well, so let me know your thoughts on this. So these are the few coastal themed project I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite, and I would love if you give any suggestions towards my channel. That will help my channel grow. And like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.